Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of viewing community photos in WhatsApp Web. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open WhatsApp Web and log in to your account. Step 2. Navigate to your community chat. Step 3. Look for the 3 dots icon located at the top right corner of the chat window. Step 4. Click on Announcements Info from the drop-down menu. Step 5. Now, head over to the Announcements Community tab. Step 6. Locate and click on the community icon. Step 7. Finally, select View Photo to see the community photo in full size. By following these simple steps, you can easily view and appreciate the community photo in WhatsApp Web. This feature allows you to stay connected and engaged with your community members. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.